Dear all, good afternoon. Today we are going to see a topic on diesel power plant and hydroelectric power plant. Okay? Right. What is the diesel power plant? Where we have seen the steam power plant, thermal power plant. Yeah. The same like where instead of coal, here we use the diesel engine with the diesel as a fuel. Okay. So here these are the components of diesel power plants. The oil filter. The main component here is the diesel engine where the combustion will take place. Where chemical energy will be produced, that chemical energy will be transferred as electric power with the help of the generator. This is what the working of a diesel power plant. Okay. Next slide. This is an working principle of the diesel power plant. You can see here the diesel engine where the first in the intake will pour the diesel as the fuel intake. Okay, with the help of the fuel injector, and with the help of the compressor, we will pass the compressed air to the combustion chamber. Okay, where what will be the happening in the combustion chamber? The ignition will take place. Where with the same like an engine, the two-wheeler or four-wheeler engine, where the vehicle will move forward with the help of that engine. Here we get that chemical energy to convert into electric energy. We use the generator over there to change into electric power. With the help of the transmission line, we pass through the appliances or wherever we need an application. Okay, fuel injection. The diesel engine uses high pressure fuel injection to automate the diesel fuel into the combustion chamber with the help of gas oil engines. Okay, then ignition process. What is the ignition process? Where the air fuel ratio combines, it will get ignited. Engine will get ignited. It is nothing but a heat energy or chemical energy, which here we use the generator to convert into an electrical energy. That is what we depend that energy conversion. Okay, the combustion process drives the movement of piston, converting chemical energy into a mechanical energy, which is transferred into electrical energy with the help of generator. Next slide. This is the merits of the diesel power plant, where I think you know that the diesel power plant in olden days, many of the industries they use this power plant as for the power source instead of the main power cut. Okay, in olden power looms or industrial machines, I think you may see nowadays they are using the many gen power systems and UPS or solar power systems. In olden days, this diesel power plant is one of the major role in the industrial side, not in the household side, but in the industrial this has been used. High efficiency and then quick startup and wide fuel availability. Where we use the solar power plant or wind power plant or nuclear power plant, for the sources of energy we need to search more. But the fuel of diesel will be available in the plenty on all days. Yeah, on all days for the vehicle we are using the diesel fuel, so we can get easily. So one of the things, wide fuel availability. Next. Demerits is nothing but the pollutions of air. I think you know that diesel compared to the petrol engine we have seen in the 2-stroke and 4-stroke engine. Where compared to that, the pollution, the diesel power plant will give more the exhaust gases. This will deploy the ozone layer. That is one of the major drawbacks, environmental concern. And then the operational cost also is high. This one. Next one. Next we are going to see an hydroelectric power plant. Where the hydroelectric power plant is nothing but I think you may done in your school days the project. Water tank which can make one project. Likewise, where the potential energy in the dam or the reservoir, while we use the pipe penstock to flow, that will convert into a kinetic energy. Here also we use the turbine, and that turbine will make that kinetic energy into the mechanical energy. That mechanical energy again will pass through the generator, will convert electrical energy. This is what about the working principle of hydroelectric and water flow utilization, turbo machine, energy conversion. Okay, I think the kinetic energy where they will get through the penstock while it will flow. Okay, next slide. Merits of hydroelectric power plant is nothing but this is very easily available source. While we rain, we'll get a water source, and then low operating cost, and then the large scale productions. We know the quantity of the flow in the pipe or penstock, so that we can find the power quantity. Okay, that is what one of the advantages. Demerits is nothing but one of the main demerits is the maintenance of the reservoir or the dam, and then the investment in the first one is very high. Okay, this is about the disadvantages of hydro power plant. Next slide. Then comparison where we both having more distinct energy conversion. And then where in that we use diesel engine, here we use the turbine and then the dam. And then merits, here advantages such as reliability and efficiency, demerits both environmental impact and sustainability. This is what about the working principle of diesel power plant and hydroelectric power plant. Okay, thank you.